Hi guys, welcome back to the show on this high court we did today. I still remain the malicious baby number one, and I there with my
what my people case are meeting me for the first time. I go by the name MC Ban, so the comedy son of comedy is real talkative online Zaddy.
And we carry matter come again table. Matter wait serious. This matter pain me well because the thing touch me when I see this thing say it happen. The man where of 2 or 3 weeks ago where wife dey pursue am with him Side-Chic, where the wife go get accident before the feel say make dem do, she die immediately during the accident. Since then this man don dey coma, and from coma now we can't find out again say the man pass from coma go meet him wife. I wan ask one question. She say shey this man and him wife bin sign love die love after death abi na wetin? Because the matter wey you suppose know be say the woman wey don go be don go, and presently now we be say they can't leave 3 children now. The wife go, the husband go. Who they can't leave these children with?
You see, this is what I said about cheating and you monitoring your husband or you monitoring your wife. You don't know, you don't even think about your children, you don't even think about the kids. You think about yourself because your husband they cheat or your wife they cheat, then something where you're not supposed to do. At that time you go come to do and they do even all the work where you supposed to do, you don't go do it because you don't go get rest of mind. You could just like you want to know what he's doing, you want to know what she's doing, you want to know where she is, you want to know where he is, you want to know who is going to meet. I don't understand about this. This thing is getting like out of hands where we say everywhere now, cheating today, cheating tomorrow, man catch woman cheat, woman catch man cheat. You know, all those stuff like that we say now but they do like small picking. This thing is not necessary. Just as a wife, just concentrate on your children. Just concentrate. Unless until God make you or the man himself carry the woman come your house gone. Say make the woman say you carry another woman come from outside.
I want it inside my house.
No, there are some men that have they are so bold to do that. So nothing is impossible. Even impossible said I am possible. So anything can happen.
Wait, make I ask you. You as my husband now.
Okay.
I'll come their house. Inside my own matrimonial home. You go come carry your Side-Chic come house. What if you say go happen between you and the Side-Chic?
But I get money now do am sure. So far I get
no, inside your mind. Wait, I want ask you.
We know enter the matrimonial.
Wait till you feel say it go happen to you and that chick wey una take come house where they stay.
Wetin you think say you go do?
Hey, I go first lock the children first inside there. Make them no weakness wetin go happen. Then I'll come outside now come face 2 of una.
With waiting.
Oh, now only God go know wetin go happen. Abeg, the thing touch me well when I see say this man for a later die and you know fit say okay make I leave because of the children. And I don't talk and say this man supposed come outside from coma. The sake of that love we band him and the wife together, and the love of the children, he supposed fight this life, come back to come take care of these children. Now the 2 of them end up dead.
What a life.
Mr. Abi Mrs. News Informant. What you get now inside this thing where you don't cause?
Where you don't cause? I don't understand why.
Them say
must you see and talk?
The thing weak me. I don't understand. Share your phone now just to dey call people wife. I see your husband somewhere. Abi you no get work wetin you want? At least now they don't say they use phone now where you feel they receive small money. Your phone no get use or wetin, you no get wetin you want use and they do. Why be say now only have to dey call they spoil people?
Spoil marriage.
Now you una just day after. Wetin be the problem of woman being wey dey now? Why be say you no fit mind your business? Now person business you go leave your own to go dey mind. Now you don't make now this woman now died and the husband the shock now no fit let the man.
You way they call Mrs. Clara, you can take care of the children.
You go take. I mean you go inherit the children. You go inherit that woman place. I mean at the man place you won't go inherit. Wetin you stand to gain? Why we dey mind wetin we dey talk? Because many things that we dey do, we don't know say it dey make other people. It dey lead to sorrow to other people. It dey lead to end to to other people. See now this one now don't lead to this man death. And you see how painful it is. These children will start living now without mother, without father. They are now orphan.
R.I.P. Mr. and Mrs.
I beg. No una rest in peace.
In perfect
no una
peace,
continue the love
pieces.
there for heaven. But when I next war, I dey beg the wife say, if you come back again to this life, I beg. If you don't marry, now when your husband carry the woman come meet you for house, na that time you go say you dey do action.
You can do anything there.
Oga, if you dey do am outside, but I must see wetin me I want inside house. My children must not lack, and I must not lack. So if you dey do am for outside, I just pray say no carry am come house. But according to her bamiso dey tell me say him go fit carry the woman come meet me for house where I dey. I dey pray say make him carry the woman come. Now when he carry the woman come meet me for house, that time you go know say khaki no be leather.